commercial salad right here, but rather than have it with the dressing that came with it, I am going to have it the way that I usually have it, and that is with a little bit of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And the olive oil that I decided to use today is Bragg, 100% sourced from Greece, organic, extra virgin olive oil. I just got back from the gym. I'm feeling healthy. This is a healthy way to enjoy a salad. I've got a plate with an English muffin here. I'm gonna just go ahead and transfer the salad to that. We've got feta cheese, we've got onions. Let's open the olive oil. First, I'm gonna try just a little bit of it on the muffin. Can you see that beautiful color? Let's taste it. You can taste the green in it. It's wonderful. A little bit of a peppery finish. This is just really good olive oil. Time to put it on the salad. Balsamic vinegar from Modena. So delicious. I've been wanting to try Bragg olive oil for a very, very long time. I'm really, really glad that I finally did. I was happy to be able to show it to you in a video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And even if you didn't enjoy this video, I want you to have a nice day, a nice week, a nice year, and I want you to have a nice life. I am now going to have my nice salad.